Take a bite, feel the taste. Add all the dry ingredients to a bowl and mix them briefly. Next, pour in all the wet ingredients and knead until you get a smooth, uniform dough. Place the dough ball back into the bowl and cover it with a kitchen towel. Leave it in a warm place for about an hour, or until it doubles in size. Once the dough has risen, take it out and divide it into 8 equal pieces. Shape the buns using a rolling pin as shown in the video. They should be slightly thicker at the edges and a bit thinner in the middle. Place each folded bun on a piece of parchment paper to prevent them from sticking while steaming. Line the bottom of your steamer with parchment paper as well. Make sure to cut out some small holes for air circulation. Steam the buns for about 10 minutes. Then turn off the heat and leave them covered for another 2 minutes. Fill the ready buns with pulled pork mixed with teriyaki sauce and fresh green cucumber. Top it off with chopped green onions and chili peppers. Done. Enjoy.